Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A 750-watt mixer is the sweet spot for all the kitchens. Not too expensive, not powerful enough for daily chutneys, masalas and occasional batter. If you're confused by hundreds of options online, don't worry. This video will help you out in choosing the best 750-watt mixers based on durability, real user experience. So let's check out. For all the mixers, I have provided links in the description and also tagged in this video. Prestige Iris Plus 750 watt. It's a value for money mixer. It's usually the most affordable in the top tier. It comes with a jar safety lock. The motor won't start unless the jar is locked correctly. It also includes a juicer jar, which is nice bonus at this price point. Coming to its durability and safety, the decent build quality with sturdy handles. It has overload protection that switch and that resets easily. Users say it's a great all-rounder. However, a common complaint is that burning smell on the first few runs, and it's a bit noisy compared to the other premium models. It is best for budget conscious families. Philips HL77567 750 watt mixer grinder. It is the Toyota of mixers, reliable, tough and keep running. It has an advanced air ventilation system that prevents the motor from overheating even after 25 minutes of continuous use. Coming to its durability and safety, the coupler is made of tough plastic that doesn't wear out easily. It also has leak-proof jars. Reviews online highlights its compact size. It takes very little counter space. The grinding is consistent. The only downside it lacks a juicer jar in the standard box. It's the most reliable daily driver. Preeti Zodiac MG 750 watt mixer grinder. This is more than a mixer, it's a food processor. The Master Chef jar, it can chop vegetables, knead atta in minute, and a great coconut. It reduces your cooking preparation time by half. Coming to its durability and safety, it comes with a 5-year motor warranty and a safety indicator that changes color if the motor overloads. Users are obsessed with the atta kneading feature. It really works. The build is heavy and premium. It is expensive, but it replaces a chopper and a mixer, saving you the money in the long run. The best multitasking mixer grinder that you can buy.